warm-blooded vertebrate animals.
Wow, birds are warm-blooded vertebrate animals.
An insect is a small or tiny invertebrate animal.
Wow. Do insects have brains?
A park is a place set aside for human enjoyment and recreation.
Wow, a park is a place set aside for human enjoyment and recreation. Building, no more these house. Valle, building up, class ikay buntay. Oh, okay?
Yes, sir!
Are you happy?
Yes, sir!
Hoy kayo ikay duwang bisu, mehet daw juma.
Yes, sir!
Yeah. Okay, yes. Hi.
Good morning, sir!
Good morning, sit down.
Thank you, sir!
Alright, today is our last day of our academic session 2022. Tukum sang ni som ni sunga, school ka na ni atay ni ko ahitay.
Yes, sir!
Am I right?
Yes, sir!
Am I right?
Yes, sir!
Okay. So being the last day to ni atay ni tagibalai, I'm going to ask you a few questions. Can I ask anything?
Yes, sir!
Teachers, can I ask them anything?
Yes, sir!
Okay, this is Ma'am Melody. She is the contract teacher of class KG, and she is also Ma'am Hoinu. She's also the contract teacher of class KG, and then both of them are taking class KG A and B together. And that is Miss Min Chong. Miss Min Chong, she's taking the spoken and the rhymes. Okay. Kung di ay atay ni di ay parents so, anong kaya kasi though we see from the result alone is not enough. Exam result alone is not enough. Exam result is to like typhoon. Exam to marks ang tata mo sa level. What about their knowledge? What about their practical knowledge? Exam samda ta mo sa level. Though they might have got a very good marks in their final exam, but it is very important to see how much they learn practically. Okay. Yes, I was any questions from here? All right. Okay. These are the notes from here. I'm going to ask. Okay. This is what subject is this? GK. Okay. GK. Shall I answer together or shall I ask one by one? Together or one by one?
Together!
Together. Okay. Which is the largest sea animal?
Whale is the largest sea animal.
Whale is the largest sea animal. Have you seen a whale?
Yes!
Have you seen a whale?
Yes!
Where do you see a whale? Huh? In the? Have you seen? No, you have never seen a whale, but you have seen a whale in the TV, right?
Yes!
You have seen a whale in the picture, correct?
Yes!
Okay, I'm going to ask someone. Yes, anybody. Stand up. Which animal looks like a horse?
Seahorse looks like a horse.
Would you please tell again? Which animal looks like a horse?
Seahorse looks like a horse.
Wow, seahorse looks like a horse. Okay, let me ask this girl. Yes. Okay. Then, which is the fastest running land bird?
Ostrich is the
I'm sorry? Tell me again.
ostrich is the fastest running bird.
Alright, okay. She has some problem in tongue speaking. Tongue touch, some tongue touch. Okay, whom shall I ask? May ito ko, kami kasi na ito, kapag ito ding... Okay. Alright, she looks at me. How do birds fly? Say loud.
Birds fly by flapping
Birds fly by flapping. How do you flap? How do you flap? How do you flap? Come on. Flap your wings. Come on. Flap, flap, flap. Yeah. Okay. Yes. What is is your name?
My name is
Please stand up. What's your name?
My name is Najoli Shah.
Not Jolly Misal. Who is your father?
Father name is
I'm sorry?
Father name is Gola.
Gola. Wow, very good. Do you know Pupu Mangcha? Okay. Let's go. Why do children always like to go to the park?
Children always like to go to the park to enjoy.
To enjoy. Do you want to enjoy in the park?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you been to the park? Wow. With whom did you go? With your papa and mommy? Okay, very good. Yeah, then, okay. You're good. Let me ask you more. What kind of a place is a park?
A park is a place set aside for human enjoyment and recreation.
Please tell again. Say loud. A park?
A park is a place set aside for human enjoyment and recreation.
Wow. A park is a place set aside for human enjoyment and recreation. Let's give a big hand. Wow. Okay, Ompui. What is your name? Ompui. Yes, yes. What's your name? What is your full name?
My full name is Thanop.
I'm sorry?
My full name is Thanop.
Dar Ompui. Okay, very good. What is your father's name?
Father's name is Mangbo.
Mangboy. What's your mother's name?
Mother's name is Limna.
Wow, very good, very good, very good. Okay. What is an insect?
An insect is a small or tiny invertebrate animal.
Wow, say again.
An insect is a small or tiny invertebrate animal.
Wow. Do insects have brains?
Yes, insects have tiny brains, which is inside their head.
Wow. Write the characteristic features of insects.
The characteristic of insects
Are
compound
eyes.
appear on the antenna and wings.
Wow. The characteristic features of insects are compound eyes, a pair of antennae and wings. Very good, thank you. What are birds?
Birds are warm-blooded vertebrate animals.
Can you tell me again?
Birds are warm-blooded vertebrate animals.
Wow, birds are warm-blooded vertebrate animals. Wow, I like that. I never knew that. I learned new things today from you. If I can ask you any question then. Okay. What are shrubs?
Shrubs are small or medium-sized plants with bushy and woody stem.
Wow. And what are herbs? How the short plant? What are trees? What are trees?
Strong plants are called trees.
Okay, thank you. Whoa, let's big band. All right, okay, so what should we do to stay healthy?
To stay healthy, we should keep our body fit, eat well, and take proper rest.
And take proper rest.
And take proper rest.
What should we do to stay fit?
To stay fit, we should play games and do regular exercise.
Wow, very good. Very good. What are our basic needs?
Our basic needs are food, water, and air.
What do we get from plants?
We get fruits, vegetables, and grains from plants.
Thank you. Do you love your teachers?
Yes, sir.
Do you love your Ma'am Hoinu?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am Melody?
Yes, sir.
You love Sir Secretary?
Yes, sir.
Do you enjoy this room? Did you know Mr. Wong?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you want to study here again next year?
No, sir.
Alright, so next year we will study in a building, okay? In a building, no more this house. Building our class ikai bukan. Oh, okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you happy?
Yes, sir.
Hoi kaya ikai duang bicu, mehet tau cuna?
Yes, sir.
Jingka kasi tau cuna?
Yes, sir.
Kasi king ayam?
No, sir.
Ay, say talo di isel di. Ito yung mo di yan na. So, okay, thank you. So I'm so happy with these teachers. These are my great teachers of KG. They have handled the class at KG students so much well, and those are the fruits of their work. Tua Chapang le halta exama asut may mahilo. Akamawalong asay tayo. Halta asay tayo. Chipizem tiya le ozo ho ahapan zalu. Ozo on halta Chapang ahil ahabol zalahin. Ozo chunga kakipain. Tuting like parents on zong sate le kasim na support na bolo ba. School akil tabang mga non zong support rin bolo wanan biko pizewin. Parents o chong kipatu ko pungin. Kumiting le non ta sa ngay tip chatting la hoy tada jibo diwa. Hey, yeah too. And I want to say thank you to our teachers and to all the students and also to our parents. See you next year, 2020? No, 2023. Ai là gì gì bị cái gì đấy? Free à mù tiếng ba chứ bị đấy. Cái gì cái tay vậy ta? Okay. Alright. Shall we pray? Okay, let's pray. Follow the hands and close your eyes. Okay.
Go left, close your eyes.
Follow me. Our Father, we thank you for the whole year that you have taken care of us. Thank you so much for our man Melody, Ma'am Ainu, and Miss Mincho. Thank you for the secretary, for all the teachers, everyone, our principal, who have taught us. Thank you. We thank you for our parents who support us. Today is our last day. Lord, may we enjoy our vacation. Come back safely next year for the promoted class. We wish every success in our own selves by your grace alone. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Okay. Bye bye. Be good night. Bye bye. Thank you.